structure is just solidified on the surface.
Anticipation denotes intelligence.
Three-eye atlas.
Three-eye atlas.
Three-eye atlas.
Three-eye atlas.
Three-eye
This is incredible.
Have you been following this online? I have been following, and it looks like all of the world is following too. You're the person we've gone to a couple times for this topic, plus other interstellar things. But let's talk about the new things with Three-eye atlas.
What are you doing out there? Get back to the truck. What the hell is that? Back in the truck. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. I don't know what that is. 2. Leave the son of a bitch. He's gonna be an asshole. This is from the heart. Oh, the soul. The grand century stopped the mind out of control. A simple rock on the road. The detective stopped through an interstellar hole. Three-eye, three-eye. Bad boys, what you gonna do? Interstellar love. Interstellar love. Deep inhalation while you sense subjugation. Your mind in soul possession in space and time. Do you feel a mere affection or a spirit to resurrection with the soul, a soul connection that comes to life? Woo! Three-eye, three-eye. Bad boys, what you gonna do? Interstellar love.
It's the real pretty shit now, man.
Is it interstellar love? Is it interstellar love?
It's the real pretty shit now, man.
Is it interstellar love?
Deep inhalation as you sense subjugation. Your mind and soul's pulsation in space through time. Do you feel a mere affection or a spiritual resurrection through a soul to soul connection comes to life? No players for you, darling. No players in this game. What will you do when it comes for you? When it comes for you? When it comes for you? What will you do when it comes for you? When it comes for you? When it comes for you? What will you do when it comes for